So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a black screen in CapCut. So first of all, you can go to CapCut.com. After that, go to create new, go to video, so you can see a blank canvas, 16 by 9, 9 by 16, 1 by 1. So you can choose one of these options. Then go to CapCut on here. You can see here media, you can add files to them. You can see templates, elements, audio, text, captions, transcript effects, as well as transitions, filters, brand, and plugins. So on here, you can choose some of these options. So on here, you can see this video, and I can even add a different video to it. So let's choose one as well. So on here, you can see this is a template as well. So I can add a cover, I can edit it. It's gonna be a video that looks something like this. So if I wish to add a black screen between, you can see I tried to take it away, but it doesn't really let me. But I can do something else by putting it at the top. So on here, in order to add a black screen, you can see I can just drag it a bit further away. So if I play it right now, it's gonna look something like this. So in between, it's gonna be a black screen, and then it's just gonna resume with the next video. So that's a hack that you can use for adding a black screen between videos on CapCut. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on CapCut or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.